Hey everyone, Wazoo here with a update on a product that I've just released on Gumroad. Yeah, this is something called Build Your First Web Service with Java Spring Boot. So I'll put a link to the page in the description down below, but we've got a blurb here up on Gumroad. And so we've got a ready to bring your web service to life, but unsure where to start. Let our beginner-friendly guide be the catalyst for your success in the world of Java Spring Boot. Our comprehensive yet easy to follow resource is designed to empower you with the essential knowledge you need to confidently embark on your web software development journey. Make the most of Java Spring Boot and transform your ideas into reality. Get started today. So, along with this, this is a PDF, which is a walkthrough guide containing an introduction to web software and walking through Java Spring Boot. And it also comes with a zip file of all the source code that's used in the project. Yeah, so all you have to do is enter a price. I'll leave it up to you, whatever you want to pay for it, whatever you think it's worth, and then hit the I want this button. Yeah, so it is a 31-page PDF, which gives you, it's really short, and it gives you a quick introduction to working with setting up a Java Spring Boot project and going through building a opening a project with VS Visual Studio Code, starting your server up and down for the first time, and what extensions you might want to use in Visual Studio Code. And then we go through the process of creating a controller, an API controller, and then I show you how to walk through it and test from the command line, as well as going through some unit tests to demonstrate how to run tests within Java Spring Boot. Yeah. So this is out right now. I'll put a link in the description down below, and I hope you really enjoy it. Be sure to leave a comment if you thought this was helpful, and let me know what you thought of it. And if you wouldn't mind, give it a rating on Gumroad if you could. I believe between a 1 to 5 star rating it lets you do. So please leave a rating if you thought it was useful for you. And thanks again, everyone. Peace.